OPPO's motorized pop-up camera technology is finally present in its mid-range smartphone. I'm Daniel of Pinoy Techno Guide, and this is my unboxing video and first impressions of the OPPO F11 Pro. There's nothing unusual about the box, just the usual white box with the phone's image, name, and some of its main features. The interesting stuffs are inside. So what's inside the OPPO F11 Pro box? We have a SIM ejector tool, some documentations, a free phone case that feels sturdy, and the OPPO F11 Pro smartphone itself. I get flagship vibes when holding the OPPO F11 Pro, even though I know it's a mid-range smartphone. It's as if I'm holding the flagship OPPO Find X instead. This is the Aurora green color and it looks beautiful. Let's turn this on and set it aside first. What's left in the box are the charger, micro USB cable, and earphones. Both the charger and micro USB cable have green accents, which means this is a VOOC fast charging system. Going back to the OPPO F11 Pro smartphone, it's hard not to immediately test the selfie camera. It's actually quick with a cool animation. I'll have to test its quality and durability though. Having a selfie camera hidden results in a notchless and almost edge-to-edge display. This is the natural way to go for smartphones of the future, and it's cool to see it already in sub 20K phones of today. Here's a sample picture using the phone's 48 megapixel rear camera and a selfie from its 16 megapixel selfie camera. Subscribe to Pinoy Techno Guide to be notified when my full review is up. Questions and requests are welcome, just add them in the comments section and I'll try to answer them in my full review.